It's great to sometimes take a break from making videos and actually spend time watching videos on other channels. It just so happened that as I was browsing through, I stumbled across a new hidden gem of a page. Craft and Tailored are not new to the watch scene, but they have recently started a channel on YouTube that is well worth checking out. The premise of the episode's What Is On My Wrist is just that, a focus on vintage watches, from Seikos to Heuers, Omegas, Rolexes. Excellent videography, short, unscripted and insightful discussions on the pieces, and great eye candy for all of us who appreciate a broad spectrum of watch designs. This is by no means a paid promotion. The real enthusiasts on this platform are in this gig for one thing. And now that I have an audience, it is a pleasure to bring these channels forward and give them the publicity they deserve. So I'll link their page in the comment section of the video. Go out, follow them, and enjoy the watches.